One name, KEDU. Ugoccie here again. Have you been looking for, how to learn the Igbo language? What if I tell you that the KEDU app has a new update for that? Introducing to you Asọmpi Okwu on the KEDU app, which is otherwise known as the Igbo word game. Asọmpi Okwu is actually the new play-to-earn game on the KEDU app. And in this game, you'll be shown pictures and options of which you have to choose the correct Igbo word. The beautiful thing is that whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced Igbo speaker, the game is for everyone. You can either decide to play easy or medium or hard. Choose one can work. You can actually click to hear the correct pronunciation of the word and also the English pronunciation.
Ifuzo.
But that's not all you get. You know how you find KEDU points when you play games on the KEDU app? Yeah, so the more you play this Asọmpi Okwu, you get KEDU points, and that means more money, more reward. One name. Whether you're brushing up on your Igbo language, or learning new skills, or you're trying to challenge yourself, Asọmpi Okwu is the perfect way to connect with our beautiful language. What are you waiting for? Ngwajewe na KEDU app kita. So you can check out the Asọmpi Okwu feature, brush up your Igbo speaking skills, and stack up KEDU points, learn new Igbo words. What are you waiting for? Download the KEDU app.